Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says, which of the following has the greatest electron affinity? ठीक है. So electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy in which of the halogens is higher? ठीक है. तो if you arrange halogens, then it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And if you see the electronic configuration of these halogens, they are ns2 and p5. ठीक है. If you see the configuration, they need one electron to complete their octet to gain the noble gas configuration. So they have a very strong tendency to gain an electron, and therefore the electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy is very high. But as you go down the group, आपका atomic size क्या होता है? There is an increase in atomic size. Due to the increase in atomic size, electron gain enthalpy क्या हो जाता है? Decreases down the group. डिक्रीज होता है तो एक्सपेक्टेड ट्रेंड क्या है फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी और इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी इज फ्लोरीन शुड हैव ग्रेटर इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी देन क्लोरीन देन ब्रोमीन देन आयोडीन. ठीक है, इट शुड बी द trend of the electron affinity in halogens. But due to small size, ठीक है, but due to small size of fluorine and electronic repulsion, large electronic repulsion, ठीक है, क्योंकि एफ एटम में क्या होता है, एफ में आपका जो टू ऑर्बिटल 2p ऑर्बिटल्स होता है दैट वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट. ठीक है, तो उस कॉम्पैक्ट ऑर्बिटल्स में जब वो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है देन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन इज वेरी हाई. ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन, ठीक है, ड्यू टू द स्मॉल साइज एंड लार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन, इसका जो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी होता है of fluorine is lower than that of chlorine. So if you see the original trend, the chlorine is having higher electron affinity than fluorine and bromine than iodine. ठीक है, and this is due to the small size and large electronic repulsion in case of fluorine. This is an exception, and therefore chlorine is having the highest electron affinity than all the halogens. The correct option is D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.